My name is Stephanie Rainey. Company is Stephanie A. Rainey LLC, and I am an attorney. Started with South Carolina Legal Services just as a staff attorney, and then I clerked 2 years for Supreme Court Justice Donald W. Beatty. And Judge Beatty told me that I would never work for anybody, and I took him on his word and decided to cast my own aspersions. So I tell everybody this story. My grandmother, when I was 7, 8, watched Matlock religiously, and she made me sit and watch Matlock with her. And it was just something about him turning around and pointing to the door, and the way he discovered like who the real culprit was. It made me want to be a lawyer, and from that day, I never turned away. I never thought of anything but that. Areas of practice is mostly family court. I do some federal criminal, social security, workers' comp, that kind of thing. Most proud of helping people, like being able to speak with my clients as long as they need me to not be on a clock, to not rush them, to make sure they're heard and seen, and that they feel that I understand them. I quite enjoy being on my own. I like the autonomy of being on my own. So I never see myself doing anything but that. I may add an assistant or a paralegal. I may do some consulting work, but I'm pretty happy with the way my business is growing right now. I have a website, StephanieARaineyLLC.com. I can give a phone number, 864-573-1003. And I'm located here in Endeavor in Greenville, so they can find me either of those ways. Because I believe to whom much is given, much is required. And so there are not many people who are as fortunate as I've been. And so I like to give back to my community. Family is very important. I have a son who's 26, and I enjoy spending time with him. He's no longer living with me, but I'm also the president of the local AKA chapter, and I give back in great ways through my chapter.